I let it fall, my heart, and when it fell, you rose to claim it. I was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, all the things you'd say, they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win, But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. You could be calling, must be waiting for ya. Even now that we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I knew that that was the last time. The last time. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn. Thank you guys so much. I'm Will Reed. I am vlogging for you. Tell me what you want me to sing and I will sing it for you, baby. See you later. Bye.